Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
Good, Mela. Did you sleep?
Now,
Oh, no, you did not. Okay, I thought you did. So, what did you do in the morning? Did you go to school?
yeah,
Oh, okay, interesting. What about in the afternoon? Are you going to school?
yeah. I
Oh,
know.
oh no, not anymore. So, what will you do in the afternoon, Mela? What's your plan?
Play Roblox.
Okay. What device do you use in playing Roblox, Mela? What device do you use? iPad? Cell phone?
PC and iPad.
Oh, okay, your PC. Okay, you have a PC and an iPad too. Okay, I see. Now, let me share my screen, Mela, and for today we will have the continuation. Okay, so look at the first picture, Mela, and tell me what is happening here. Oh, wait, is it this one? Let me check first, Mela. Oh, yes, it is. This one. Can you try to match it to the correct sentence below?
Uh, um, Alvin and Kimberly have a new bed.
Okay. Next one, Mila. Next one.
Uh, it is small canary and it had bright yellow feather.
Okay, continue, Mila. Third picture now.
It lives in a cage and has fresh water and birds seed to drink and eat every day.
Okay. Fourth picture, Mila.
Um, Sometimes they mm,
Mhm. Continue, Mila. Sometimes.
then they feed their pet with small bites of guava and papaya.
Yes, that's right, Mila. What about four? The fifth picture.
Um,
Next one, Mela, fifth picture. What's your answer for the fifth one, Mela?
Um, e- every morning and evening, it sings short songs for everyone in the family to enjoy.
Okay, and the last one. Last picture now, Mela.
Alvin and Kimberly love their pet canary very much.
Okay, yes, that is right. Thank you so much. Do you like birds, Mela? Do you like birds, Mela?
Mm, no,
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, I see. And that is fine, Mela. But yes, you do love cats. Me too. I don't love cats, Mela. I love dogs. So it varies from people. Okay, now let us have this one, Bella. Look at the picture, and I want you to write 5 sentences about it. You may use the words in the box to help you. Okay, so it's all about eating healthy. But can you answer my question first, Mela? Do you like eating healthy food? Do you like eating healthy food?
no, I don't know.
Wait, you don't understand? Do you like eating healthy food?
Bạn có thích ăn đồ ăn
Mm,
tốt cho sức khỏe không?
What's your answer? Yes, Mela or no?
I think no.
No, you don't? Okay. So can you tell me what did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for
Um,
breakfast? Mela? What are you doing, Mela? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry?
no,
Okay, then can you tell me what did you eat for breakfast?
I don't know.
You don't know. Maybe you did not eat for breakfast?
Um, well, I just like this.
Okay, Mela. But if it's a Vietnamese food, Mela, you can just directly tell me.
Stay in my room all morning and didn't go outside, so I don't know what for in the kitchen
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you did not eat anything. Are you hungry now, Mila?
now.
Because it's already 12:13 in Vietnam. Okay. Now, going back, Mila, let us have this. Okay, eating healthy. Okay, so look at the picture. I want you to make 5 sentences about it, Mila. No need to write it, Mila. No need to write it.
I did.
No need to write it, Mila. Just tell me the 5 sentences. Can you tell me your first sentence now?
Um,
Can you construct sentences now, Mela? Tell me once you're ready.
um, the boy um, eats eats vegetable.
Okay, he likes to eat vegetables. Okay, what else? So we will not use vegetables anymore. What else? Next one, Mela. Second one.
The boy drink milk.
The boy. Okay. The boy drinks milk. Okay, but in here, Mela, he isn't right. So the boy loves to drink milk. What else? Last 3 sentences, Mela.
The boy the boy eats fruit.
The boy is what, Mela? The boy is? What did you say, Mela? The boy is? The boy is?
The boy is eats fruit.
Okay, the boy is eating fruits. Next one.
Um,
Last two sentences, Mela.
The boy, the boy, the boy, the boy, the
What?
um,
He is.
the boy is healthy.
Okay, so you can say he is healthy, Mela. He is healthy. What else? Last one, Mela.
Um,
He looks. He looks.
he looks strong.
Okay, he looks strong and fit. Okay, there you have it, Mela. Now, we're done with that one. So let us proceed to the other one. Imagine that you are a fish, Mela. Okay, imagine that you are a fish. Okay. What fish do you like, Mela? Do you know any fish?
Um,
Do you know any fish?
Bạn có biết loài cá nào không?
Do you know any fish, Mela?
now, do you know uh,
What?
rabbit fish?
Can you write it, Mela? What's that? What fish is that? Can you write it?
Yeah. I searched
Because
the Google.
goldfish, Mela. I only know goldfish. Oh, rabbit fish? No, I don't know rabbit fish.
Done.
Oh, okay. It's pretty. Why do you like this fish, Mela? Why do you like it?
You know the um I know the nail on teacher.
Okay. Well, it's pretty, Mela. It is pretty. So, if you are a fish, Mela, imagine that you are a fish. Imagine that you are a fish. Do you want to be a rabbit fish?
Hãy tưởng tượng bạn là một con cá. Bạn có muốn trở thành một con cá thỏ không?
I think no.
What fish do you want to be, Mela? What fish do you want to be?
Um,
You want to be a
um,
you want to be a Okay,
I,
let's just say you are a rabbit fish. Okay, let's say you are a rabbit fish, Mela. Then where would you live? Okay, let me see. What's this? Wait, wait. Oh, it's a very small fish.
Yeah.
Why do you want to be a small fish, Mela?
Mm, I think it swim very fast.
Okay, you want to swim very fast. Do you know how to swim, Mela?
No.
No, you don't. And that is okay. Me too, Mila. I don't know how to swim. Okay. So, where do you want to live, Mila, if you're that fish?
Uh,
Where would you live? Would you live in a pond, in the river, Mila, in the sea, in an aquarium? Where do you want to live?
I want to live in ocean.
Oh, you want to live in the ocean. So which animal would be your friend? Since you are a small fish, Mila, do you want to be a friend with the sharks? Do you want to be a friend with the sharks, Mila?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. You want to be a small fish, but you want the sharks to be your friend. Okay. So if you see food hanging from a hook, what would you do? If you see food hanging from a hook, what would you do?
Nếu bạn thấy thức ăn treo trên móc, bạn sẽ làm gì?
Run.
You will run. No, you can't run, Villa. You are a fish. You will swim. Okay, so you will swim away because it's a bait, Villa. You will die if you eat the food in that hook. Okay. So do you think you will be happy as a fish, Villa? Do you think you would be a happy fish?
Yeah.
Oh, a happy fish. Okay, just swimming. Swimming with the sharks. Thank you so much for that, Bella. Now you can eat your brunch. So thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of your day, Bella.
Goodbye, teacher.